Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Volkswagen key fob. This is the UK version. You can see there's no panic button. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. That will take you straight there. And this is optional. It's definitely not mandatory, but it is helpful. So what you want to do first is remove this mechanical key right here by pressing this button down and pushing that out. Now you want to take this and insert it about that much, and then just pry this back half off. Sometimes this doesn't always want to come up. You can do it like that. Okay, you can see how far in the key is right there. Now if that doesn't work for you, which that doesn't always work on all these fobs, they're pretty tricky, just take your very thin screwdriver and place it right in this corner and pry it that way. Once you have that out, you can put your screwdriver here and remove the dead battery. The new one's going to go in this side first, and then you just want to clip this back on here. Make sure that's nice and in there. Put your key back, and then you can test it right here. Make sure you got your red light. That's all you need to do. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.